Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about how the computer can recognize an image. For example, what is in this picture? There's a dog in this picture. You write a Python program that does this job. So let's go to my GitHub site. Here I've uploaded my source files and I'll put the link below the video and also in the comments. So at the moment, I'll just briefly show you how to run this program. Let's go download the files. And once the download is complete, let's decompress it. Okay, close and go to the decompressed directory and copy and paste it to the working directory. And I'll paste it to C drive and CNN project. And if you go into the root directory, you've got batch file here. So let's look at the content of the batch file. So what this batch file does is that it runs this Python program classifier.py with an image named test image given as an argument. So before we run this program, we want to have a test image whether the program can actually recognize the given image. So let's go and search an image. Actually, it is not a random image. It should be one in the list of trained dataset. And if you go into the dataset directory, you can see directories labeled with butterfly, dog, elephant. And if you go into the butterfly directory, you can see a bunch of picture of butterflies. And if you go into the dog, you can see many pictures of dogs. And if you go to elephant, you can see a picture of elephants. So this program has trained with the images in the individual directories, and the program can detect if a picture is given that belongs to one of these three categories. So first, let's try butterfly. And let's go to images. And let's try this image. Um, let's snip it out. You should save it in the directory where the program resides. And if you look at the batch file, the name of the file is testimage.jpg. So the input image name should be testimage.jpg. So let's go to C drive and then CNN project, multi-class. Here, this is the directory where I've got my Python program. So save it and let's open Anaconda prompt and change the directory to the working directory. Here, I'll copy it and paste. So if you look at the contents in this directory, you've got run.batch file, and let's execute this file and see what happens. So this is the image that we gave as an input, and the program detected it correctly, saying that this is butterfly with 98.808% confidence. Let's try a different image. This time, let's try dog. I'll try this image. Let's snip it out. File, save as, and this time again, the name should be same as what is written in the batch file. Copy, paste, Do you want to replace it? Yes. And go to Anaconda prompt and run the batch file again. This time, the program recognized the image as a dog with the confidence of 80%. And let's try last one. This time, let's try elephant. I'll go with this picture. Snapping tool, new, and snip it out. File, save as, test image.jpg, save, yes, and run .bat. This is elephant with confidence of 93%. So the program recognized the image correctly. And if you look at the Python code, um, this program classifier.py, I wrote them down with CNN that is known to excel at detecting images. And if you are an experienced programmer and confident at reading programs, you can just start to and go dig into the code and go at your own pace. However, if you have trouble reading this code, I'll break them into smaller segments and give you an instruction. Um, Maybe in the coming summer after August, as I am currently busy doing my other jobs, and if you're first time to Python, don't worry about it. I'll make this video as a standalone. I'll beginning from the how to install and run the Python program. So I hope to see you again and see you in the coming summer.